Hello, agus bhaidí hiic na Seansálaithe, mas maidh seansa glaciad na Seansálaithe. Is mis Hugh me go le cheada agus hAthbhliana fiú waisiadíomh fad fi ceathar baby an blian go bhfuil mis past. We're manifesting it. Tá sé chuntarlú, béle feicil. Tá seo marscra le muid cód leci le muid cardidir ar dúspáir seo le aine Áine tibirtete.
A fós am thuasta, sílim go móthín fós I limbo. Ní dóin an ghfuil mise ag an áit sin ghfuil a handan eile bhfuil siad ará, blian ó am fu chun sníora. Tá mai get fug fós lethargic agus just a gíomh mo labí agus bíor deasaithe agus gan dul atrí, so yeah, just asta, sin an focailú sadí me.
A handlinge a dúirt go roiiste ré le gáil arásig an an burn trafing shot is gin sin break mar sin fáimthe seo. I can't fi lad a mín an leabig go minic an seo fásta le James ó Fáilte. James go mar tú.
Bí lá a ab go minic chu just choléiche rather than nécantí journalach ní am which is mé mar stusceach nu kins
Ar an talag.
Go má I think mar chéile aine man níim se a goberfós so rástal lún so ma began í limbo but gerbid in an ichi sláúir se dé but chuid ma block cáis réir my god hí tango ag mertang.
Imi an ghfuil fós bíad sa deatha hananta na níl na leftovers le gimithe go fóil mis mar géine a mé né iirecht an na tosú a an lá ar an mí sláúil. So seo má cethú iirecht seo an cethú muidir tafanis ar an cethú lá agus tá mis den iirecht a ríis ar maidid, so Beiidir go mé an talm aniu.
Tá mis chusláú gus í 9 p.m. I didn't like
yeah, late night snacks.
Ma ger Thig, ma ger chocolate, is ma ger brand new chlár núise ar Netflix, ma really addicted ho, which the already creachni am a cníir se takeach a chéar láchan. So, yeah.
Má hí mád níos fearr dó ghfuil tos a rásin mar nar ecinn tú na TikTok sa arc na handanna cos le go leor siúla acu as má hí tú sor ceanta nar tú ag arc an stuff sin, but sílam gur breig go leor da,
Yeah. Well, mat ein ben a fi an gon phodchraoladh for láthir, Tá mis cin ben homeless fi láir. So Hugh, ce tú blianú gan.
Jo sé gragur deirú sin an fáhaing nar chu mai ein picú Swiss tú sig siúil ná genú ein aclaach go fáil, cos má Gary haceart a thuirtaobh se. Ní má Gary tiispan cé go minis is a téma sa gym faoi lethir. Tá just ahan le uair tá ag genú ahan le exercise go féidir actually agus ní joke seo ceannaí má Apple Watch in sin le journal but Sean Fire right no fan go
Apple Watch boo
well fan seo níl se le ha an acliaat surprise tá sé margheall tá rud ar an watch gur féad leat é úsáid mar screen viewer le haid de camera so má tá tú ag tafad leat hain heag leat an shot a set as suas gan a bheith rí arásig an phone exam like heag leat feicil go ddíra céin sais picture tá gal a bheith agad. So I think if a mission thing a bhaint go such Apple Watch specifically gan aclaíocht a dhéanamh literally just le físní go rudí eil.
Ag leat picture má tá glacu picture grúpa cumai ní gá rí ón camera le glacu ag leat just mention agus tap bíana.
I know. Sí, tá clipte.
Le fitness watch tá sé ionintach le cholarú non-fitness.
Yeah.
Oh, tá cean fancy agus an áil James.
No, an whoop whoop.
Go let's go.
Whoop.
What do you call me?
Go let's go. Excuse me.
It's not a fancy whatsoever. Ní tá it. It's just literally a band. That's it.
Yeah, ach nachhfuil sé an crin agus bín sé go mai. Genitá salar a hanna.
An strain tá chur am a churp gach lá, an stress a bhín arm.
An ard, an le.
Ná mín sé an ardnar a beidir chinnis butchert.
Yeah.
Like recovery 97%.
Oh, recovery, yeah. Oh, he's poets 97% recovery, not a fear. 1% recovery for ma. So chum amach leis for an pelle agus I ring with logo, so it was goal all day. Agus chumawale simple lauscher hi an dochlog amazing. Agus side ma law as you like. I think about dead. Ram ma whoop, is this whoop? Yeah, that's dead. So my like very accurate, 1% recovery. It's just HRV, which is fancy terminology, go the heart rate variable. So cecho más a do chraí I gur skipui agus má. So an méid is smú go difrach de is a péidir sin is sláánúlatá do chraí. Agus tá muiche an really hard. Agus sin surprising mat mar chraí hééis bheith briste go leor an dé.
Boo!
Stop it.
Fáig sin a fi trí.
The leader. Burma sin.
Fáig sin ar de cool. Ná ghlach lá sin. Jamer bhíon hí an Nollag dó, cos mis nóháile ar an Jardín rih an Nollag mar ginafil ní se gair sin seach cin ar bhuiisih se arráise an homestead ar fá extended period.
Bhí mis sé dúrnach leor dul bháile mé le grome ag ceolcurm hóíir himáile lia Áine an dar las fiad. So an chéad leile bhíarm an Dublin coach Lofagrana sin á bháile go hinis. Ceire uair go lé le teas ar siúil agus mu na le crochu bhí muid marú fric mé bailile ar an trí las fiad. As ní ag me teathí ó hin. Chuim me má in níos bus tá me gohol fiúdul fan siúdo. Tá sé ro cozy, tá sé ro comfort as bháile. Tá just chillbíos. Tá í hibernation period bhegad a sin tar siúla gom sa fi láir sinam. As ní aríne leis go fáil.
The child or fod just Gary to like the being the mum steal a te hang like quick one which being like the like chingy og you sa chaha is literally anna but ke like kesha very shul and tamar fod ke bimisha eg like leu listen chas agus mum like can't find out what to occur amateur and chingy shin can't find out what to mission like knocked this room like cost la sauna
yeah mar an gléine for much stove haar na Nollag agus het me lá, but ag nám chéine just fiú garceir tá se go teolaí, so chunín tú lasta just chuin an cúsin, you know?
Yeah, cos a hiúdó be tú lá agus be le telchlog niche sin tu do winter be le chosá casticlad be like chuin tú tunamáisiís agus se bug nach dead agus tú gin just like agus sweat patches le choirt agus fucking corn on chocolate mug té follow just tutí.
Ja, maar wie me fá léithní om iad, like am an bí na sé maf in a session, like sé má choáile ag bitir maníthe is the virus le goin, like
yeah.
sé có táhachtta gunna cúségan go meach sé dul an lá a le sa.
I think was có clachtí leis a bheith like gan ein chas elevator file like is tí cha. It's in foiag céar na gannn siad na tescan dó bín steaks acu well done an tamar fad.
Yes.
It's because bevrális nach méid like slantulé anu, but it's tasig dingy cén dóid agus cén chas blah 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 whatever.
Oh God, no! Tá mo history in a foodies gerta they would die. Like so well done.
Han leor Thomaswala.
Yeah, and the steaks in the winter festival to ná funio go vi leis.
What a waste.
Bín se dáte.
Yeah.
Ig ma heile so yeah.
Well done. Nína hé fogad dót is máling.
Nasty.
Ge a duán who's nó ngá vi si sé sesiún craic is sin.
Oh my lord. Yeah, bhí se class. So don ced like seachtainí. But could you like like in Jardín, could you like in Cadín? Basically, ní acma ein thing you gan and slunny car or Harby. Like it was just Mohaila agus an sin mohuj call ceratha a teir híim a her agus Sean Kedder bhí muidir fád le cheile le like bliantí mar tá couple cinnaú na hnaí hall sa Rattenbug hall in Cardiff agus bhí má a chun sin an muirt then bhí me like okay tá hon a haning eáis ó an blún fi me like okay tá hon daoine eáis but bhí mar costa beidir go bhhuiisih si mar seo ar beidir náhhuiisih mar gomín si sála níos minic me se ach bhhuii se cos le like this is your life Canada where it was like bhí mar feáil daoine nachró feici gom le beidir like seachtbhliana ar ihintí má like me si do má le mo chuid chuide as you know pohanní or whatever agus then cheap my girl birch acu gal and then it turned out grow like group of all war and it was all lads nar hannic ma ó chuimar an ollscoil basically and I was like oh my god like the seo whole crack culture like go with your fad go fáil sna pubbaní cearna sna etní cearna like a genuine crack seo a sin bhín scáil gihrí gidóir siil fásta atá just tapt agus ahan leor James agrim running at the hain blianar a maic lia and then ahan leor Thomas Walla agus I'm like oh fuck actually the shot class ne mar gair foiáil mu tiúdí bug ná muon Leos na Tessies na gigs ar fád mínar seo even though ní war maig cinna bí acu ar an rathair I know ní sé cálam cai sé go ruí mí cartlam
Bhí mis cos lása dó a feicáil daoine ar íhann do muoin ná waci mé le chuní mé daoine ón mscoil ná waci mé ó chríní me sa mscoil so síle mórnta go mín daoine nachhfuil tú géirí eáil cumáid so bíar ducking an diving dhéanú as chin inis go bí mar bín sé onanta graithe ach an sin bín sé deas na daoine eile gal le teachtáil don Nollag go hánig mar chara bháil leo Bristol agus just tá sé deas búla le daoine but definitely bín daoine an you're like cool you get us echo small I'm out
I can't relate more
I love everyone and they love me
sorry mister I was never bullied
actually and then chuní mé ná bully on one school
well Jerry má seo right an lad a bhí me sé tridlis an Thomas Mó agus mé ar an bunscáil is besties much and like
because your life is so perfect.
What the hell? I literally dirt my grandma to try to get an lions. It's just gur Jerry much níos fast to like.
Go Hugh go Donegal agus just junta sé seach a Hallmark movie.
Ra I brín review mat.
Té bhí ar aspa na just like go hitchang rá ag like caring na chaise leis a bunscáil. Déirní agus sin bhacht like you know what? Oh my god, that's scríomh.
Yeah. Oh, was it going to scream shashies in the Sean
Hallmark movie.
Just like PS I love you Aquan so nach main donna be boss.
Hugh, this is a car mornish. Jane dói will sha.
Just a small town girl.
Living in a lonely world. I were my ansalt as already class. Agus sin hanning with was done blianar and sin mark lia. Fi ma rash all much though. I was like dar hoima higgin rod or like done blianar or whatever ben gurk and the skelty ó mohaxe agus ben like at rudi garidal agus vi ma mohaxe agus gurk and the skelty skidor being like of random invention faster so
what a dilemma.
I know I just smile him a hanat listen
just FOMO vian
Lewis that cloning technology on it's over
no in fairness vi mis give ag ingleidor minor choni men skelty like sin vi coma rakalta What's sort go leis an artas a ríis?
Yeah.
Ig leor den daoine céine an cumá, you know?
But I can't score gíomhre guidó. But I can't Yorkshire. Oh yeah, we shouldn't be come on. No, fairness, yeah.
I approve.
Yeah. As we cold cholat, so I'm like in my element shouldn't like my geisha in the obviously, my castle. But yeah, was I class? Yeah, we should be good ass. Yeah.
David she look at see he complain James.
We must boshed it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Lads.
Yeah. I count the lads carú. Vi gas bega je le déine so I bas acu hAthbhliana. Ag hé noch lá so kom sa bob trash for food agus just
oh dear.
Bakúna chuichéad slot when bob so ní sam ke fá nach neach má wall had but
Can
yeah, decent cholik man countdown on it, so that was grand. But yeah, we should decent. We peace crack on. At least like just a lads are going bad like hele. Check that's holding neck out. It's really no question how they count the lads on Astral wallet a couple lot. So check that's actually like man you Akma was kin hAthbhliana. So yeah, decent out.
Vi tu country chart so gumse. And I was like, hello, the staff. So ag man legs to the pub. I was like, nah, it ain't.
Oh, vi go dul an basú he gosher.
Yeah, she not plan me am originally. I shouldn't be my like 3 finter staff. I'm like,
Ní dóid a bheith.
Go má gáil síbe anna if cin bléon na seach go car na gáilbhe chun busáil sus go mar a clé chun luasáil sis go hiú.
Ní bhí aimi sem más a déir í go bliana. Well, chuin muid sí ag teach mo cara in Milton Malbé agus disturb muid goánach muid tíos neannach muid bí agus cluichí agus cocktails cuimead amach fanne yuck go dtí friúils pub pí mór as go muidir eiste go te. Just
sin go asú
ní maiid
léna cinna
chaotic. Ní maiid tá mu sean ará ná, but ní maiid na slúid.
No, ten carta go dó. Ten carta.
Ráithe agus sweaty agus níl go bh háart ar strátrí sílam nar bhúlan an clog maníthe. Sílam go méid just bh ar na daoine go grágam dóibh, you know?
ach fó sin te go as go áín stó éisiimle. Like dá bhach mu a lúpáí sus go goidó was sin cinna epic.
Oh yeah, beh sin ínta. But aine gunnar le an bháile húsan sin, so bhthach sé chuna cos le ggóil muid sáile, but má tá tú mí i club i ngáliú nó ag an go bhá sé. Tá urgent daoine háartar ná bhfuil aine go ir, you're like.
A sé bhach mu bailí sus goidó bh full srún fá ams le cecha an áú bailí sus túisgurt le.
Go leis no. I'd say be full strong good because tugi think of backstage.
Fairness. That sin ancrí.
Agus túna má.
Bhfuil rud bí ganach sibh difriúil an líonn se thugain. Just si omlan an Nollag. Rud bhí go like thulumm se dhéanamh níos fearr ar bhealach eile.
An cummart is báilte rucht an.
Oh no! Well, obviously.
Imran is bliana rucht an.
You know, an dóigh go gaihann sibh a cúpla lásáile. Rud a bí neil sibh ar bhaile bheith níos productive as bheith muoithe siúil ar bheith dul ar níos mó hinnta muoich ar cibé rud an.
Do you mean as in just an Nollag or don blian ar fad?
Tríomh se omlan na Nollag.
Oh wow.
Definitely gan go amach. Like honestly, like tá ceol hí a bob choléiche. Agus é mar dús man, like tá chuige sláis, tá cloisiar craic choléiche, chuna siúd háirs. Ceol tá buna anna ceol cloisteáil. So like híla go cinál leis a chuid mis le Nollag as cecho gar soms gon pub. Híla go cinál snake charmers dá, go just ngefn mis amach sa as ngefn na just cute.
As an snake.
Like go ma just like Áine amach sa labh is má ordi body seach mar shacket like má body she's pub. Like it's just
slither al she's walk.
Oh, stop me. Oh, stop me.
I'm hypnotized.
What's that the cartoon that means like being ball of bahaku is like float on ball of pinty dams ma just float on
Yeah, chuit is about molmór. Achan or geraach mar de skater and scramby to me.
Yeah, in fairness though, like couple young like condition, it was only like 4 points again as you might like lovely. It's holding your wallet. Like I'm actually cure for once. You know, so
for once.
Yeah, exactly.
Is the key word.
Yeah.
Jay Foots of you.
Oh, cash my. I think in your I think I was pretty perfect. Mars Cra. No, because no, Jerry McKipa, and it's not Marial or Mahar and Rod Marshin. Do man on like Seachtainí, like I like Chavitma and Mation Scanan, like if you just chill now, see my ha, you know, you're wohima ein brew like la golama gaji like, you know, nervisum grow dingy asbala like seer or whatever, because you know, believing in ambition like your wohima and the league agus you should just chat. So I think I guess had your much in the fad like labhraíonn, so it was like very like, you know, Eagrán go hatch and mission. So I think just a clock who ní soccer, ní mulle, ní where my again gigs, you know. Sin har
wow, because we had to walk a cade them Lena.
Tamagal hig birch and shafting shot. Tamagal hig Vima well nor tagging shot ma bema ag Whelan's one to watch or in Jardine agus Tamagal hig brick nasty or Áine. So nacht nor tagging in Padma agus sin Tamagal like Frankie Boyle and Ketting shot hugging. Sin ma hostel gig and seachtainí sin. That do you know what near on golly smoke because I just
basically that you rag or glactu sauce ag nish to Jenny's or catch up and caiicish the sauce beyond.
Yeah, but hit them much call a track or fod.
See multiple uses of the Apple Watch.
Got to use the fall virtual clicker at the Apple Watch is click a la chula also a gig in Leona and then you'll actually track it like
oh my god,
pretty fucking mental.
Solely. Yeah, I think Tamahon Iraq like I don't know, like because the carum agus ringsha tá review gentige ar ahanana le gig a walkie se riú like or like notes app whatever and I was like that you're the mission on tús
What lower skift that?
basically well no Jen like star rating or whatever and it's like to different like tiers different or whatever so it's like most incredible amazing great good bad terrible worst ever
Sin Sraith ionta for can TikTok.
Yeah.
You bring your TikTok in a new direction.
Béla feco. And actually and Rutherford firma the Nollag and Liana was just really da ober as in like firma like microphones portable agus firma like from a phoner actually. Vi Santa maite. Liana.
Fi mis Milton mai go mi ahar Vancouver. Sin go mam like
Kais den ergid of arte.
It's thrown it. I don't know. But yeah, vi Santi go mai. Yeah, chimera. Where does it be jazz, James?
Just the usuals, you know. Just bugany éadach, bugany a few fragrances, agus bar tab.
Ní bhfuir tú an rud amhaing a bhín tú ar a bhín de lista a hAthbhliana dó. Ní short brunette faoi de chrán.
Bhí me dúir go ra ná habar chalín.
I'm telling you, I'm leon sugar.
Why aren't my presents hollering?
Ring me sin an airí dó actually seo chomhalc. Was it an airí or was it hAthbhliana hain?
Was it life in Granra? I am the gift.
No. Harma hasma genu fuamani swastera as if garo madu oging. Like
oh no.
It's actually so cruel. There's medium.
The hair for eh?
Not the wear.
Oh, that's so mean.
No, from which really get really jazzed Liana. I'm the ancient. I can't remember JV on or whatever. It was like surprise though, wasn't really. So they're my showcase, I mentioned surprise or whatever, and then just went with staring. I'm just like
throwing her off the scent, could be.
Yeah. I can't. I think it was like Sierra in the mission. I can't remember too much in action. Like it was worth the
that's right.
Mona Rocha really at jazz. I'd be the worst son ever.
I can't believe Gul's like he just would type to a T and this could be a rough for Macron.
I say Racha.
I've
or
illa or.
Ní orí much na specifications really ar an bod craic on not nairn much.
No. But like
ach tá sé ráúin. Literally tá lista like genta go tanalin where you're like sin mo type.
No, sin céad fin géad. Was it kin mar? Sin fudfa. Sin like was that the who to wala.
Yeah.
Some winted. Hello, do good.
Shama van Caleb.
Come she's like a shape out.
Go into the chapel and we're going to get married.
Jenny Sheshin mar best mar me go best man speech. No, mar an groom speech nar fósan sé.
Oh, Cap Misha
So James a canu.
Cap Misha Vita Catch Fluency ag Genuine Orange and Da James more best man.
Oh, lots of an guitar.
Vi sé bhóta an ó an na seár ó tháinig radioúilta an éir in 1972. So look, tá sé an míach na cearúi agus look, sin lyric is fudifa I riva is Calling is too form of Rome. Relatable. Come on.
Insta bio.
But I shouldn't look I'll go 2023. And I go 2024 will like dúchlán agaí will should be get rudí nua dhéanamh nó bhfuil resolutions agaí nó céir is like atá sé tanú le fiche cad líon on Kobe Bryant fi cad.
Oh yeah.
Síim go seo Jackar. A go leor daoine is dearn siad ná gin room na hAthbhliana tá sé sort róíar tain agus tá tú sort curtú híon síos rá and stop me
Sorry, the ending of the Geshin podcast, the Michigan James is constantly pretending to be like Jenny basketball marker. They're trying to follow Kobe Bryant.
Kobe.
Those tension spans so good. Current you've kished and then nation should leis ragra.
Bhí mar géisteart, basically.
Yeah. Multitasking sin mhhrúna hAthbhliana.
James, aber man go dé idir teine.
Yeah. I have to cut this out like. Walkie Shiv an post occur cards and pod Shane and Kerry Cowboy in Arja in Ye agus vi sé faoi ag lacu go ré ag túsan bliana agus gan bheith Rúin ar tain mar tá na hanmhethe fós a bhach ina colú ag ihe, níl siad a carbrú ar thuhéin a bheith níos fearr agus donna bhahan sin san aimimseir gránna seo agus nómar ce dhéanú. So I don't know, nar vín tú dénne íart rún na hAthbhliana sin go le bheith an ddíanaar tain rá le chu mé meach an na caiileúnt chu mé cai bhaimse uair bheith gom cai me bheith níos fearr na ahan bblion rih seo. Catí an dhéanamid sin lin héin ar an géad lá an bblion, like tá sé códín ar an héin, and then má hepan ar it's like, fáí mu bblion blion seo cin le tosú a rís.
Agus rud fásta agus beidir go nhéanann tú, like, jeanann tú giving up her, like, lilin, like, couple of seachtaigh. And it's like...
Yeah, mar tá nómar lista.
But, like, the chuige covid seachtaigh sa blion chuige sé, chuige dá. Chuige dá. Agus tá sa tuairt suas in é mí, like, ceithir seachtaigh in é, as más tá ceithre 8 seachtaigh flecha go le dhéanú.
Mar chuint tú nómar go breúirtain ar an géad lá, agus it's like, cai mé deithród uair dhéanú i mo híal an scóil mé níos fearr mar ní mé Michael leor mar tá mé. So, I don't know go déan dóid bhhain buí. Ag an am céine, táúplaród chuil mé gurí agus integraí tú ine a jausú.
Rud géas le faoi sin dó na bhí puinte anhhaige si dó. Ach, má nana dhéana mí anger, tá nana dhéana aon bhí eile gon bblion. Méall sé bblion anger is like go le seach, tá má go a snáb gachar lá. Well, obviously be sé really fuair mí anger. But like, má go a snáb chu lá, se go bheith bhaní éasca i June, July. Rud céanna le má go aclaíocht is go go Jim lu amazin. Má tú aana sa dorachtas, nana dhéana nu te gal. So, like, it's kind of like mental challenge and it's not that eile.
Yeah, but that's the ionta ag rudí mar sin, like, tusan tar duine, just you get on with it. Like, tá motivation agad, níl sin ag ahanana, níl sin ógamsa. Ma het, I'd be like, tá mé crítnithe.
Ach níma like, I gargo and slash I thought se go háling ru dúirte, agus tá ceart go really like, was that the one was the host was a two san tarach was what ni says ach just was that thought anger chu grimshin you know speak like mains anger we know was that brella me anger is not fucking great like
no
so but like thought chu grimshin what the non good Harris and Kate Hurdleton and Kate Hurdle's going to read the success so after just ni says even though camera ni den run you know so you know
but tá sin go mai mar tá nurtin ar siú logad sa hana hen ní dom go dig let rud leis gaide i the schedule.
Tá cúpla sprucham bháil a chrocha, but I wouldn't call them a ruin. Ach, just a ruin is just a bheith mar duine níos fearr in the umland, because, you know, it's cannot conch mafi leor, like, so.
Is it a waihu? Sure, tá geisgum, tá díní go dínar thuhéin ag gnám seo do bblion.
You know.
I think in Arkin with her and Doig Roman and Nollag we were like, you absolute slob, like you like you're so shit.
Animal.
Yeah.
Envy.
Could you get any worse?
Yeah.
Céad in the Rudy a wallaby in it, so like just two a chordop in ish a mask in the
Time is basically her túslis and crack see rubber Seanish. It's like Seanish anish kaima agus dirt ma Sean a couple in your hand hain, but it's like hAthbhliana to Michigan of completely insufferable Erlina. Like she just died to Mahala ve. Just constantly Jenny Ruddy easy curse stuff like that. Like the Masul go more lesh le ag generation or whatever. But I think it's hAthbhliana and V shugging whatever or V's fi heart they're Hanik man nachro machan like ein paycheck of him like oh feck like Shaw and fear like the Shaw like ag tarlunish so ta Masul go more lesh ta get the big ugly arm inish feel hard more ta like it's more dirt to hain it's an mental block of like okay can my cartus lashanish agus a couple smooch yogamer cad iad na togri or while me yenu agus like a couple smooch you're ready but while me yenu like lemudge socials agus chuní ag gála an scríomh agus an mar sin, but tá just ag súil go mór le a bheith ceann le ag chur má am héin le cheile agus ag gobar le daoine agus ag just bheith flat out, I'd say. A flat out an tamar fad ar rudí ar bhhail lumsa a bheith gobar ar bhhain as opposed to a bheith flat out ar fad agus tá mag bunsoltas like seaca fan géad an méid tá déanú. Agus go se ar fad dúsa agus níl se ar fad le haid cólat an teacht ar duine eile ar brand eile igen eile, like tu ar fad dú hain.
Sinínta go dtí glas bheith súil leis an Rúin atá le mágat mar leor daoine tá rudí le maithú a níos de súla túscar lo ar chorbe.
Yeah.
So Rúin an bhaile bheith rud go dtí le bheith excited faoi.
Yeah. I mean, I think also Kaima Vin exactly. I think that needs to happen. Kaima Curtis. I was in road a Jerhima Fui Mianer. It's in Lashgill is fair. Le Curtis na Rodishina.
Yeah, she and Gershon and me is fair little so you would be on a shoe nugget.
Yeah. But even just like Heglat Curtusla no snooer like ig punchiala whatever. Like the Magari like Curtusla, I don't know. HN spoke of the like Kjall tradition or whatever like that, or like Bwydam like the Alienu. But like Kerme S or Fight Tumble Father, whereas no two simply and you're like, right, Heglumsa and like technically Huklat like just ring Virginia Swiss the me like they're not real. Like Neil and me Martin.
Yeah, it's just lie because the Larbiella.
It's just the Gregorian calendar, like but it's in Lashcushion to be like, okay, Heglumlish kill a Stockalaku agus fekel Kenatra Wylam Ave. So Wylam Bedger not gym membership because Hanning which can die or Jerry Lashin.
Yeah, ní dólam go níran an gym dit. Sílam go dit dul agus trí loint as. Couple caiith aimimsú eile, couple sport different eile agus an cean aimimsú a bheith runúna dit. Mar it's not the gym, sweetie.
It's not the gym. It's not for you, babe. It ain't for you. I'm telling you now, Fihi Carr, the year Hugh Carr trains to be a professional wrestler. hAthbhliana.
It's a 6-pack.
hAthbhliana. There's a chun tarlu. Which can pass the gall the wrong near fadnish, running the ropes.
Yeah, been bursting you fit in the galley. Shirts off.
Oh.
Hawaiian shirts buttoned down.
Guinness 0-0s.
Oh yeah.
Hench. Stroll on sauce. Fit in the galley. Reads pork pellet. Kicking on bursting Lero's over bar. Spim's like, oh, cool guys don't look at points.
the birch cans like shul free rock iron.
Oh my god.
I'm telling you. Also Kinawanya like a guy, and it's not even a Rúin Nismo, it's like Dulgish. Agus like it's like a business expansion-ish. Kaima foam came to much. It had like Kaisha Tarlu. Agus Halus Tasha Ogum. Tas Ogum. Give much more taxi Ogumshe Dama Haler Fat. You're them with your ENT mod like I hate the Gark arm as if like Nia should go Tarlu.
I didn't know though. Fun into some East journey now, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so there's arms should fire the arms.
When you see leis na cótaí ar your styre tí deataning like
agus mission Aaron there are like woo.
Yeah.
James just na color go.
Yeah, Mission Mahal is going out like that's definitely going to be it like.
Ach Jenning it dúse. I mean Sajeta go river ag dolawala the thing if I got a rash agus dul rash in kosher not a gurk or anything Name a gurk or anything in Shaw. Hadder Misha Einrod. James.
Will brother be Barty I got James that task on board too but to just keep it generalta the gun in his fair but
yeah you get a bit more in the shower that's definitely it I'd say spiritually Tom spiritually sports needs more talala my girl got a for in the hearing race in AFL agus possibly so my girl Ruthkin's ruchta let's get room we all a couple of tough so get if all of them on the Emirates say come to spend the Brenna that would be great but yeah just more to all that fun if Marcan gonna Imrory it will Chidanan bride agus súling on criú social a ruchta H'Bhliana agus yeah sin spruch na tam agus obviously needs actually agus better to be honest like do she's editing timach sus because he on sour or light and then sour can be the usual
Ach tá si Seán Jackar chuid in runúntógan mar níos a freigrach as bfuair an omláin a buintúir dagan, so ní cheart numarcha brúchar tain leis na cin sin?
Dunnen imróir dat imráin an glóir dhéana dó so
Oh no, tá gom sin, but I mean is bfuair an
Oh,
omláin.
100% ach le rudí tá duna scruúin ara I bhrám bheith mar bhrám a láb chusús agus bheith mar cean gona leaders for an pelle and then rudcéan an AFL agus bheith mar siúin le go an cumartas sa Canada so bhah sé sin dochreitma but sin in sprucum dam.
It's ag genú maithis de chain agus cujin sin den
exactly,
a Jeremy Farne.
Yeah. Mis áú fésan John Foran.
Tá siú se anhhaile bhguid caiitheh aimimseirí go generalta siad go gurinn sibh a hanú de stahan má tá sim go bhí rud agus sin rud nachhfuil me ionta aige so sin mosbrocht an bblion ná an íireachta chur stas na caiithh aimimseirí a bhí go híle lig le níos mó ceol tradiisiúnta gasú agus dulrá se leo I gceart beidir dulrá ag dása goéileach nó sport aimimsú cos látaú sport aimimsú bhfuil mé buin soltas agus go mé me aclaí an dóid sin. Ja iglam dul ag an gym tá sé oké is mail mé ornta ní brala mé ní meabta dhéanana dóigen in an James é. So me gurí rud aimimsú go mé actually dul seo dhéanú le go bé rud sin más dasatá ná.
This if we like a buin soltas Cair amsre ag sport I was like yes bhí má moscailte ar mágin golua aniu or Wrestle Kingdom 18 New Japan's and version Japanese the WrestleMania. I was like, yes, tema into my generation, gur maigad.
Yeah, but talking elegant, like she would all hig Nickley soccer, a hanjer seachtainí, agus just current to an urgent iirecht staan or tasim a gut being too gaffalish. Need to mission kind missionary just a gober as gan dure and stuff ella as a spral mo jibra ak kaime ní smo chomi at bhe go hil. So sin gur sin má sprecht an bblion.
Agus fásta caiimidinge níos mó stuff dhéanú le cheile. Sprec mar gang fásta.
Sim go neir mo job might the shit if you tree.
Oh, an job, but I just want more.
I want more. I want it all.
I want it all.
Dropping the hating, coming to you soon.
David Hay in the Gale. I'm telling you now. Agus mis obviously more una híli. I mean, our carm. Arcan with Chira Coslick Ella.
Cé mis then an chalí níos gomanim an chalí ella.
Cyan Bennerson or Sean or mission.
Why do you get to be una?
I thought you'd go rack fire Gorosig and K in Tanya VRhe. And it's because we imagine you clue to her Shaw the Ober La Janie. So she'll fire a wen go well as in the tree dini a visa troubleshin.
Telling the hard hitting stories.
Kaisha we shouldn't like and fi tree like why shouldn't cost like na blianti hun.
Well near warshi the wad in fairness.
No. Last time pod shot níos fudging na Catrif.
Oh, we'll outlive everyone.
I've been kind of read Shaw A and Cadriv is fudge via Rio, so
Aww.
Same here.
Agus Michigan James, yeah.
Cute.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, like, it's just squish a size different on the relationship to Levy Steele.
Nice fair.
Yeah. Sure.
Emotionally fulfilling.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah. As if Nachro and the Cadriviella Roma on emotionally fulfilling. Niama Hodgin a rare. That is not good to them on a rare. Niama kai you anything if we must. Or Harby.
River Hugh ag tochelt le hé a héna chósatála níos fuide. Ceap go buna é.
Sílam compassion A because agus gur maigad le haisin because otherwise hoca sha.
Okay, tá go agus sílam go buna é. Like go rá. Oh no fan tá sé go níos fuide. Tá go níos fuide.
Yeah. Niama aha Gary Chaktarak again like couple oding in their holama as to la just being like hey hold on there's this shot.
Not Rome emotionally fulfilling the her basically.
Hadder mission just to be abundantly clear. Hadder mission Sheelam Gabay today. sílam go bé sin é. A German phodchraoladh not móhéal. Curmí maigad as notification na seansaí a ríis seán cead agan da fi cethir agus bé a bhád níos mó le teacht Áine le tomul anuas sum go méid fi cear doráite agah ar fád agus cuiimiidine mar páirt fug de héalnis sin an avocado bug fasta.
Squidgy pal.
Squidgy pal.
Smoochie.
Oh, I thought it was like squidgy. Coslam hain. What's the carry? Muid amsú ar na man hosta muid ar seanslií ar Instagram, seanslií ar Twitter agus seanslií ar YouTube. The game muid amsú agus go ar go aine galta ar físní ar YouTube ná ar Spotify, not just éisiirlainn ach sperlam sa an fís or sin higad eáil an squidgy pal or an squishy pal or whatever rud. Níalma rud uair Legos tí cool rogam. So ar an dráthir of just imagine an Lego class where my Nollag. But the Gary Áine Amsterdam man host that more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, anywhere or TikTok. But the Gary James Amsterdam man host this more flartach or Twitter, flartach or Instagram, flartach or TikTok. As the Gary Mahane Amsterdam man hosted them more Hugh Carr here Twitter, Hugh Carr here Instagram, just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, I know that I much a flagalnish seller sort of chain much lin.
Just if extra das from hain agus Áine on Misha because showed birth months muids. So yeah.
Agus bé were they an exciting Bertie again when you're in a misa or guard gael just kind of would figure out what that is.
I was like kicking clans we saw Asin pod, but I was like, when's the party? Where's the party? Came I hope yours all set. Gan Brunton is out Wimsey because I am terribly kind of Brunton a sheep. I'm just to enter about even ish. Task of shot. Yeah, my I can't Brunton to see that ain't in you.
Don't worry, Hugh. Is Tissa on Bart.
I'll be to hAthbhliana.
Is Tissa
okay?
Is this a more short brunette fin crawl? Them umbrella.
Just because them off my shade tree. Just because them off 5'11" doesn't mean. Do you know what?
But the guys are led at 5'10.5", so somebody slew
10.5. Just to her couple of the anyway, sorry.
Outro, guys. Outro.
Gurmí mai so geis an seansaí agus be rás rí chat siúil le Eagrán ar a go dtí sin slán.
Slán.